Hello student, welcome to class 12th English. Today we are going to discuss do as directed. So let's start. Question number first. His brother sold all the gold. Make a question with WH word. So we can write like who sold all the gold question mark, or we can write what did his brother sell. Okay, next question number second. I know that lad not much, change the voice. पैसिव वॉइस में हमें कन्वर्ट करना है, तो ये हो जाएगा that lad is not much known to me. ओके, थर्ड क्वेश्चन देखेंगे. A, he is my boss. B, he is wearing a red shirt. Combined to make a relative clause. So we can write like he is my boss who is wearing a red shirt. Okay. Question number 4. He is so weak that he cannot stand. Rewrite using to and to. So we can write he is too weak to stand. Okay, moving on to next question. The child cried for milk. Change into पास्ट कंटिन्यूस टेंस. पास्ट कंटिन्यूस टेंस स्ट्रक्चर हमें याद है, सब्जेक्ट प्लस वॉज वर्ब प्लस वर्ब की आईएनजी फॉर्म प्लस ऑब्जेक्ट प्लस अदर वर्ड्स. सो वी कैन राइट द चाइल्ड वॉज क्राइंग फॉर द मिल्क. Okay, moving on to next question. Question 6. He gets his salary. B, he start spending it. Combine using no sooner than. So we can write no sooner does he get his salary then he starts spending it. So the answer is no sooner does he get his salary then he starts spending it. Question number 7. Words, arrange the jumbled words into a meaningful sentence. So we should arrange like the answer is Raju can write with either hands. Okay, so Raju, it's be like Raju can write with either hands. Question number 8. He can prepare tea in a minute. Change the voice. Again we have to convert in passive voice. So we can write tea can be prepared in a minute by him. So we can write like tea can be prepared in a minute by him. Question number 9. As soon as he closed his eyes, his successor started rowing over the left property. Rewrite using no sooner than in place of as soon as. So the correct answer is no sooner did he close his eyes than his successors started rowing over the left property. Okay, question number 10. They were playing football roughly. Change into simple present tense. We have to convert in simple present tense. So the answer is they play football roughly. Okay, so the correct answer is they play football roughly. Question number 11. Again, rearrange the words to make a beautiful sentence. So it will be like an apple a day keeps the doctor away. So the correct answer is an apple a day keeps the doctor away. Question number 12. He does his duty well. Change into negative. We have to convert the sentence into negative. So the answer is he does not do his duty well. So the correct answer is he does not do his duty well. Question number 13. A. The fan is high. B. I cannot touch. Combine using so that. So the answer is the fan is so high that I cannot touch. Question number 14. If you do not work hard, you will hardly pass this exam. Rewrite using unless in place of if. So the correct answer is unless you work hard, you will hardly pass this exam. Okay, so the correct answer is unless you work hard, you will hardly pass this exam. Question number 15. A. Sita does not sing. B. She does not dance. Join the sentence using neither nor. So the answer is neither Sita sings nor dance. The correct answer is neither Sita sings nor dances. Question number 16. Mr. Gupta teaches us Hindi. Change the voice. Again, we have to convert it into passive voice. So the answer is Hindi is taught to us by Mr. Gupta. Okay, so the correct answer is Hindi is taught to us by Mr. Gupta. Question number 17. She cannot afford it. She wants to buy a car. Combine the sentence using a non-finite clause. So The correct answer is she cannot, she can't afford to, to buy a car. So the correct answer is she cannot afford to buy a car. Moving on to next question. Question number 18. They watch television since morning. Supply the correct tense of the verb in bracket. So we clearly saw that since morning. So the answer is, so answer will be like they have been watching, they have been watching television since morning. So the sentence is in present perfect continuous tense. Okay, moving on to next question. Question number 19. They were playing cards. Change the voice. Again we have to convert it into passive voice. So the answer is cards were being played by them. So the correct answer is cards were being played by them. Moving on to next question. Question number 20. We saw a very good movie together. Change the voice. Again we have to convert. We saw a very good movie together. So the correct answer is a very good movie was seen together by us. So the correct answer is a very good movie was seen together by us. Question number 21. This horse is too fast to win the race. Rewrite using so that in place of to. So the correct answer is this horse is so fast that it can win the race easily. Okay, so the correct answer is this horse is so fast that it can win the race. Question number 22nd. I had a quarrel with my friends. I had a quarrel. Question number 22nd. I had a quarrel with my friends last night. So this sentence is in past simple tense. So had is here work as main verb. Had is used as main verb. So we can write this sentence into past perfect tense like I had a quarrel with my friends last night. So the correct answer is I had a quarrel with my friends last night. Had is the second form and third form of have. Second form had and third form is also had. So we can write I had a quarrel with my friends last night. Question number 23. Change the voice of the following sentence. Question A, I made the children laugh. So the answer is the children were made laughed by me. So the correct answer is the children were made laughed by me. Question number B, these mangoes taste sweet. So the correct answer is these mangoes are sweet when they are tasted. When they are tasted. Okay, so the correct answer is these mangoes are sweet when they are tasted. Option number C, how many persons are attending the webinar? So the correct answer is by how many persons is webinar being attended. So the correct answer is by how many persons is webinar being attended. D, question number D, this books contains 100 pages. So the correct passive voice is 100 pages are contended by this book. Okay students, moving on to next question. Question number 24, I bracket में live here since 2015. Write the correct form of the verb given in the bracket. So the correct answer is I have been living here since 2015. मैं 2015 से यहाँ पर रह रही हूँ. क्वेश्चन नंबर 25, दे ऑक्यूपाई ऑल द रूम्स. चेंज इनटू प्रेजेंट परफेक्ट टेंस. प्रेजेंट परफेक्ट टेंस में हमें कन्वर्ट करना है. तो सो द करेक्ट आंसर विल बी लाइक दे हैव ऑक्यूपाइड का पास, ऑक्यूपाई का पास्ट फॉर्म हो जाएगा ऑक्यूपाइड. तो दे हैव ऑक्यूपाइड ऑल द रूम्स. ओके. क्वेश्चन नंबर 26, ऑल हिज फ्रेंड्स लाफ एट हिम. चेंज इनटू पैसिव वॉइस. अगेन हमें पैसिव वॉइस में कन्वर्ट करना है. तो आंसर इज करेक्ट हो जाएगा ही वॉज laughed at by his friends. The correct answer is he was laughed at by his friends. Question number 27, who taught you French? Change into passive voice again. So the correct answer will be by whom French was taught to you. Question number 28, rearrange the following words to make a beautiful sentence. So the correct answer will be like exercise ensures a healthier and longer life. So the correct answer will be exercise ensure a healthier and longer life. Question number 29. A. The hotel was quite cheap. B. The hotel was not very comfortable. Combine the sentence using not only but also. Not only but also का यूज़ करके हमें सेंटेंस रीराइट करना है. So the correct answer will be like the hotel was not only quite cheap but also very comfortable. So the correct answer, the hotel was not only quite cheap but also very comfortable. Okay, question number 30. They did not come to party. They did not apologize for it. Combine the sentence using neither nor. So the answer is neither they come to the party, nor they apologize for it. So the correct answer is neither they come to party nor they apologize for it. Question number 31. He saves money so that he may buy a car. Change the above sentence into a non-finite clause. So the answer is he saves money to buy a car. Okay. He saves money so that he may buy a car. करेक्ट आंसर हो जाएगा he saves money to buy a car. Question number 32. I failed to understand what I had done to arouse his fury. The above sentence is a nominal clause, adjective clause, adverb clause. So the correct answer will be like A, nominal clause. And the clause, nominal clause was I failed to understand. Okay, students. Question number 33. Who are they? I don't know. A. Who are they? B. I don't know. Combine the sentence using a non-finite clause. Using a non-finite clause. Noun clause. So the correct answer will be like who are they that I don't know. Who are they that I don't know? Question number 34. The apple is too sour to eat. Rewrite using so that instead of to. So the correct answer is the apple is so sour that it cannot be eaten. The correct answer is the apple is so sour that it cannot be eaten. Question number 35. Again, questions is about reorder the above jumbled word to make a beautiful sentence. So first, she put some ink in her pen. So that sentence will be like she put some ink in her pen. Second question, he dare not disobey me. He dare not disobey me. So So the correct answer is he dare not disobey me. Third one is could you could you could you could you wait for a few minutes please? Could you wait for a few minutes please? Question number 36. Could you lend me your dictionary? Correct the sentence. So the sentence will be correct if we write could you lend. We have to use lend instead of lent. Could you lend me your dictionary? Okay. So the correct answer is could you lend me your dictionary? Question number 37. Question number 37. First, A. I am looking forward to. B. I attend your wedding tomorrow. Combine the above pair sentence into a non-finite clause. Okay. So the answer is 37. First, I am looking forward to attend your wedding tomorrow. So the correct answer is I am looking forward to attend your wedding tomorrow. Second, Priya loves coffee. B. Priya drinks hot coffee. So the correct answer is Priya loves to drink hot coffee. So the correct answer is Priya loves to drink hot coffee. Question number 38. Combine the following pair of sentences using non-finite clause beginning with a participle ing/ed. First, A. The girl was injured in the accident. B. The girl was taken to hospital. So the sentence will be arranged like being injured in the accident the girl was taken to the hospital. So the correct answer is being injured in the accident the girl was taken to the hospital. Second one is option A, he looked over his shoulder. Option B, he saw the police chasing him. So the correct answer will be like looking over his shoulder, he saw the police chasing him. Okay, so the correct answer is looking over his shoulder, he saw the police chasing him. Question number 39. Change the order of the group of words to make correct conditional sentence in the following options. 39. First. So the first will be like if I if I were rich, if I were rich, I would buy a bungalow. Okay, so the answer is, if I were rich, I would buy a bungalow. Second one is, if you had written to me, I would have arranged a taxi for you. So the correct answer will be like, if you had written to me, I would have arranged a taxi for you. The third one is, if we are tired, we will go to sleep. So the correct answer is, if we are tired, we will go to sleep. The fourth one is, if he met me, I would tell him the truth. Okay, so the correct answer is, if he met me, I would tell him the truth. So the last question is question number 40. Change the following verb into nouns and adjective. Okay, so I will write noun here and adjective form here. So first one is continuous, continue. So noun form is continuation, and adjective will be like continuous. Okay, second one is attract. अट्रैक्ट वर्ब का नाउन फॉर्म होगा अट्रैक्शन, एंड एडजेक्टिव फॉर्म विल बी अट्रैक्टिव. थर्ड वन इज repel. So the noun form will be repulsion, and adverb form is repellent. फोर्थ वन इज अटेंड. सो अटेंड का नाउन फॉर्म हो जाएगा अटेंडेंस, एंड एडवर्ब फॉर्म इज अटेंडिंग. लास्ट वन इज fascinated. So the correct form of fascinate, noun form will be fascination, and adverb form is fascinating.